Good morning. Good morning. My name is Charles Diggs. I'm an online marketer, and I'd just like to thank you for coming to my channel this morning. If you like my channel, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. This morning, we're going to talk about how to approach traffic, how to get better traffic. Okay, and so before I do that, before we talk about that, we're going to talk about what is traffic and some of the different types of traffic. So let's go ahead and let me share you my screen. All right. So let's talk about it. And before that, let's tell you a little bit about myself. I'm an online marketer, and I've been doing online marketing for about 3 years. And, I had my ups and downs. In that particular time, I made money and I lost money during my endeavors. And I learned a few things about online marketing and about traffic. So let's talk about traffic. What is traffic? What does traffic mean? Okay. The number of visitors that a web page receives for a website to be successful, it needs traffic to be driven to it from various sources. This traffic, however, needs to come from people who will be interested in buying your product or service. And in order for this to take place, you need to target people within your niche. While traffic is still important, you can't have conversions without traffic. So there's traffic. Your traffic is the target people, your audience you're trying to reach when you're promoting your business, your product, or your service. And so we want to talk about the different kinds of traffic that you can get. Let's talk about paid traffic. Okay, paid traffic. Paid traffic can be Facebook ads, Microsoft ads, which was formerly known as Bing ads, solo ads, banner ads. There are all types of different traffic networks and resources to choose from that you have to pay. Okay, and so there are some drawbacks. There's nothing wrong with getting paid traffic. Okay, there's nothing wrong with it. However, there are some drawbacks if you want to know. First thing first, hey, it's going to cost you some money. All right, it's going to cost you some money to get this paid traffic. All right, and so you have to have some big pockets. If you want to receive this traffic. Now, when you're selling a product, a lot of times we see certain things, and we, especially when you're an affiliate and you want to promote a particular type of service or product, you may see certain products like on ClickBank, UltraVault, those type of platforms, and you may see, hey, I want to promote these particular products or services. Well, first thing first, you're going to have to understand that it costs money to get this traffic. Not only that, the problem can happen when you run out of money before you see the results that you need. Okay, so a lot of times, a lot of affiliates, what they would do, including myself, we will start promoting big ticket items. Okay, items that cost 100, 200, 500, 1,000. All right, so that we can recoup our funds from the paid traffic. There's no sense for a person to start running paid traffic and your product or your service is $19.95. You're not going to make money. You're going to lose money. Okay, but it's kind of hard or challenging for a new person to start purchasing paid traffic. Okay, another reason why is because some of these platforms have a learning curve. Facebook ads have a learning curve. Microsoft ads has a learning curve. So there's a certain type of skill set that you're going to have to develop if you want to use this paid traffic. So it's kind of a challenge for newbies if they want to have paid traffic. Paid traffic works, okay, but it's going to cost you money, all right, and it has a learning curve to it, okay? Let's look at free traffic. A lot of people like free. I do too. Free traffic, okay? So you get your free traffic from social media, forums, online groups, YouTube, blogs, and something called SEO, search engine optimization, okay? All these things are good. Free traffic is good when done the right way, okay? Free traffic is good when done the right way, all right? Now, well, some of the drawbacks is going to take some time. It's going to take some time to build a foundation when you have free traffic. Now, a lot of people say, yeah, I love free traffic. But, you know, you have to spend some type of money, right? If you have a business, but free traffic is good. The only thing is you have to build a foundation. This can take a little while because people have to build, you got to build trust, okay? So if blogging is your thing, that's good. I used to blog too, but you're gonna have to blog every day, right? You're gonna have to blog every day. Going to forums is good, all right? Going on social media like Facebook or Instagram, that's good too. I do that too. But you gotta learn that you have to build a foundation for your audience, okay? For your audience. It can take weeks, all right? Or weeks or even months, right? To build that audience up, okay? But free traffic is good, just like paid traffic is good. But they have both have their drawbacks. So it all depends on what do you want, okay? What are your needs, okay? So let's look at some things that you don't want to do about traffic, okay? Let's look at some things you don't do. Don't do this, all right? Don't do this. Don't spam your link everywhere, okay? You may have people, I've seen this done plenty of times, where people will spam their link. They will spam their link everywhere. You ever seen a post and somebody was saying something inspirational, right? In their post. And right up under the comments, somebody put their link and advertising their business. You ever seen that happen? Well, that happens all the time. People are like desperate. You don't want to be desperate out here on the online streets. You just don't want to be desperate, okay? So don't do that. Don't be spamming your link everywhere. Next thing, stop tagging people who don't want to be tagged. You've seen that happen. I've been tagged lots of time. People have tagged me to their posts, and it's just okay if it's like one or two people, you know, a couple of people. But when you get tagged and it's 100 people being tagged, come on. It sounds like you're desperate. All right, so that's not the right type of advertising or trying to promote your business. You don't want to promote your business that way, to tag 100 people on your post. Okay, don't do this. You make it sound desperate, and it's a big turnoff to some people. Okay, it is definitely a big turnoff. Well, another thing people do, don't do this. Don't DM people about your business if they didn't ask for it. Okay, don't do that. It makes you sound desperate. All right, don't DM about your business unless that person asks for it. And let's just say, hey, I'm interested in your business. Give me some more information. Then that's understandable. But don't DM people about your business if they didn't ask for it. Now let's look at some of the biggest challenges. The biggest challenges in having online business, okay? The average person quits before they are able to produce results. That's the main issue right there. We give up, and I've done it too. We start a program, and then we like it, say, oh, this is a good program, and then before you know it, we quit. We quit before we get the results that we're looking for, okay? That's one of the biggest problems, because lots of time, especially if you're running paid traffic, your money, you can get into debt. You can lose your shirt because you just spend so much money on traffic. And then it can be depressing, right? So some people, and this is the biggest challenge, some people quit before they are able to produce the results they're looking for. The next thing, it can be time consuming. Starting your online business can be time consuming, all right? And, some people can spend a whole bunch of hours. And so if you spend a whole bunch of time online trying to start your business and you're not getting the results that you want, then it can be frustrating for the online marketer. It can be frustrating. You put in all your time, you're investing all your money, you see what I'm saying? And you're not getting the results that you need. That's one of the challenges. The next thing, that it can be hard. It can be hard for the average person to start a business online. When you're a newbie, it can be hard. It can have a learning curve. Learning Facebook ads, Microsoft ads, learning what is a funnel, learning how to, what is the domain name, all these different things, all the different aspects of online business. If you want to have a website and different things like that, being an affiliate, it's kind of a challenge for the new person to get in and trying to start, who feel that they are inspired to start an online business. So it can be frustrating. It can be hard. So let's talk about how you, a better way to get the traffic that you need. Another better way. Let's talk about successful solution method. All right. Successful solution method. This is part of a program that I'm involved with. I've been involved with successful solution method for about a little over 2 months now. This particular program, this particular platform, you don't need, there's no experience needed. A newbie can actually get into this program and do very well, okay? You can profit quickly. Now, how can you profit quickly by using a successful solution method? Well, inside the program, there is a strategy. There is a system that's in place. See, a lot of times when we're out here by ourselves, we don't realize and understand the dynamics that are in play in online business, okay? And so a newbie can come into this particular program and start off, right? And get a profit quickly by using the strategies that are within successful solution method. It takes less than 60 minutes per day doing the daily tasks. There are daily tasks that you do, and it takes 60 minutes of your day. It doesn't take much of your time at all, okay? It has simple step-by-step instructions. Now look, if you're the type of person that can follow instructions, this is for you. If you can profit if you follow instructions. If you're the type of person that can is a learner, this is for you. Okay, this program also generate multiple streams of income. Okay, within this program, within this system, this platform, it has multiple streams of income. Okay, and last, work from your desktop, laptop, or even your phone. This system is very flexible, y'all. This is a system, a platform that you can use your desktop. If you're on the go, you can use your phone or your laptop. Okay, and it's very flexible. So that's it. Successful solution method. Okay, this is a particular type of program that combines paid traffic and free traffic together. Okay, you'll learn the skill sets and the strategies that you need to be successful online. And so I'd like to thank you for coming out to my particular channel. So thank you. Subscribe. The description, I have a link under there to Successful Solution Method if you want to know some more information about it. I so thank you this morning. Thank you. You have a good day. God bless you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.